get started, click that subscribe button, turn on the notification, and give me a huge thumbs up. And don't forget to click write those comments on below if I tell you a question. And don't forget to click that little bell. But before we get started, I'm going to tell you a story. When I was in kindergarten, I was doing on the monkey bars, and I broke my wrist, and I broke my Uma and my radio. So I had a cast for 3 months and a half, and when they removed it, I had a little bit overprotected on my wrist. And so since then, I have this little fella back. And finally, I can do monkey bars again, but I have to be a lot careful. Yeah, since you know, I'm a good gymnastica, singer, and girl power. As we all know, all girls have powers, but boys think they don't. So, let's get started. No, guys, I'm good at this. I'm pretty good. How should I do this? What? If I guys, you guys subscribe, please. Hey guys, I'm going to be doing some tricks. Let's get started. Come on. Number 1 trick. This is number 2. A bat. This is number 3. The sausage.